Hi friends, this video shows how to reboot device to safe mode. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go to system, go down, select restart. Then we need to press and hold OK button or select button on the remote. Let me press and hold. Then set reboot to safe mode. Now it's restarting, please wait. Okay, done. See, after reboot, you can see safe mode label here on bottom left corner. But here problem is now this remote is not working. So I will show you how we can fix that. So here you can see one reset button over here. We need to press and hold this reset button. When you see searching for accessories, at that point you can release the button. Done. Then take the remote. Then we can press and hold these two buttons together, back button and home button. Let me press and hold. See, now this remote in pairing mode. See, it's paired. It's working. So this way we can reboot into safe mode. So if you want to exit from this safe mode, you can just power off, then power on the device. We can just unplug this cable, then plug it back, or you can go to all settings, go to system, go down, select a restart, then restart this device. That way also you can exit from this safe mode. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.